Thank you for joining us. Here at Elemex, we educate contractors to increase our ever-growing team of preferred installers who have attended a specialized training program and who continuously install the systems per product specifications and installation guides. This 1.5-day training class is offered to select contractors by invitation and consists of 2 mandatory components: attend the Elemex training class at our head office and job site assistance. Curriculum covers the application of relevant Elemex panel systems and installation methods. For contractors' first projects using Elemex facade systems, an installation expert from Elemex will assist the contractor with the project mockup. The approval of a mockup is required on all Elemex projects per product specifications. Supplementary Elemex support is available for assistance with the installation of the Elemex facade systems for an additional fee. Upon completion of the program, all Elemex certified installers will receive a binder including an Elemex training certificate, various product and installation guides, training and foreman support agreement, installation and instructional videos list, and Elemex certified installer hard hat stickers. We are the future of architectural facade systems, and we want you to be a part of our success. Reach out today to info@elemex.com, and thanks again for watching.